Hey, welcome to the channel. So, would you like to become a how? Be a belligerent person, or do you think you have a hostile and aggressive personality and character? If you have, there might be many things behind being an aggressive person or hostile person. Nobody. Maybe if you have pure heart, pure intentions to do something, and even in that way, you'll be how you'll be so belligerent, or if somebody come to say and blame you for something that you hadn't never get involved in that kind of activities, or you don't know anything about that, but they are still blaming you, to get engaged in that activities or that kind of thing. So even in this situation, you can also feel how really uh, I don't know, but that situation will be really embarrassing or awkward for you. That's create a lot of psychological things within you. And then the environment around you can be like how I don't know what it's going to be, but it will become really miserable and dismal because people just people make you a belligerent person. So that's really perilous things for you. Okay, let's even in that case, people come to show you uh, how they come to commiserate you, or even in that, even they had behaved and treated you in that way. If some of them come to commiserate you in that, we don't you have to say that we don't need anyone's commiserate comment. What the hell is this kinds of, if somebody come to commiserate you, even in that way, you just have to okay, what insist him not to get engaged anymore with you. You are already tired and exhausted due to of their how uh, uh, unintentional and that kind of behavior and treatment. So that's it, we don't need anymore, and we don't wanna I'm actually, you have to say that I'm you think I'm fragile, feeble, or tired person, but I'm not and but I'm the not kind that kind of person. Even I am fall in a perplexed way, but I don't feel anymore like that, because I have to get many things in my life. So how can I go far? How can I be apart from the what part of my struggle? That's not my type. I'm just even you prognosticate at this time, and you come to commiserate you by saying you will have nothing in your journey. Even you are hardworking, and struggling, sacrificing in your prime time. But I'm not gonna care about that. What other people think about me, I will just say, just get lost. All to their perception, perspectives, opinions, viewpoints, or anything like that. I'm just here to listen. My mind, I will do anything, whatever my mind's commands direct me where I have to go. So in this way, uh, my journey is how will become irrefutable, and it is down, and it always has to be, and it must have to be. So that's my journey, or even anything is around me, like that, even that situation and what that condition is really miserable, dismal, or also how really tough, and that is a lot of critical, you know really obstacles, things are coming, appearing in a irrefutable way. But I always says, but I won't be apart from that things. I will always chase, and I will always stand ahead of that things. That's my nature, and that's my characteristics and features. If I'm not gonna embrace anything in my life, then how can I become that man? I once used to dream about that person. So this is the time, prime time, to change my every things, my dreams, into reality with my conscientiousness, persistency, consistency, dedication, preservation, or also with inner discipline. So that's it. So sometimes we need motivations. It Motivation is just how it can push you for a temporary time. You think it's really how crucial and essential, but over time it will fade with times. But if you follow discipline, then you will go continuously and consistently, and you don't need to need care about what other people's, what other, or even the people are pushing themselves with from what motivation, inspirations. But you don't need to care about their successful journey, prosperous life. You just go with your own flow, and that's it. So you don't need to pretentious anyone. You are here to uh, pretentious yourself, not others. Even if you like to pretentious, then you have to pretentious your parents. They are always, and they had accepting and anticipating many things from you, and they had many dreams for you. So you have to chase those dreams in your life. So uh, if you come to pretentious other, except those people, your what parents, that will be so fertile. And I don't have to say that's can be useless also. So always care about your success, career, your aim, motive, purpose in life. So otherwise everything is real, just illusion here. People are, I know people have a really precious, and they are just dreaming to make their life how really luxurious, luminous, sparkling or bright, but they are not. But but they are not ready to hard work, sacrifice, or struggle in life. Then how they can become? They won't become anymore, because their own behavior is become like how irrefutable. So that's it. So even you haven't you haven't prepared, or you just wanna go ahead. Even in that way, you have to improvise yourself. you know Improvising yourself is a kind of how really uh, useful thing for further progress, or moreover, improvising is how really necessary in life. So that's it, you have to improvise. Even you have nothing, you didn't practice well, or you haven't practiced and prepared well. Even in that way, you just have to participate in each and every kinds of activities. And even I know you are an introvert, but you must have to act without preparation. And you just have to what fall into a character in that way, that acting character, and that will show everything in front of people, and that's it. And if somebody come to abrogate your approval, your appeal, even in that way, don't care about that. Just focus on building yourself, and that's it. And I know sometimes people come to differ you in a negative way. Even they will come to say you have a lot of restriction, limitations, exceptions, or weaknesses, flawed things in within you. But you don't need to care about those people. Even they come to reject and abrogate you, abrogate your journey, further journey. Let them abrogate, and then always move ahead with positivity, with the hope that you'll get some precious things in your life, and that's it. And then your life will become how is a start that will start becoming like how really sparkling, luminous, lightning, or that's it. Or what would you like to obliterate from your life? Do you want to obliterate negativity or positives from your mind? If you wanna obliterate these things from your mind, in that way you have to get involved and engage in home workout, or gym activities. And also you have to do meditation. Meditation lead you somewhere where you haven't ever imagined. In today's generation, people are just falling in problem, and they're not even ever, they're just feeling anxiousness, restlessness, and always fall in this depression, fell into depression. Then it is really tough to get rid of from that illusion or anything like that. But it makes it easier to get rid of from problem or anything obstacles anything like that if you do meditation or what, oh my god.